Okay, you're sitting in the front of a 2011 Cruze. This console lid is looking pretty tatty. I do have a replacement one. Sometimes it's easier to get it as a complete lid, but I've only just got the section that sort of slides. So I'm just going to zip it off. We've got some screws under here. Let me count them as I go. 1, 2, 5, 6 screws. Sorry, it's really hard to show you those with the drill in the way. Now this little cover plate here can come off. So next I just want to undo these 4 screws here. With those 4 screws out, you can take this little piece off. Now I'm going to close the lid. What we're going to do is press the little button under here. I should be able to slide it now out all the way completely. Get rid of the bit of the dust off. Grab the new one. Slide it back. Now when you close it, you nicely get these 2 little gears that just drop out. They just need to sit back in there like that. Next one like that. Set that little cover piece back in place. Just run these screws in. Just double test that it does move how it should. Throw these screws back in. Now when I took these off, I did drop one of them, so I'll find the last one off camera. I just want to keep finishing this off. So there were 6 of them, I've dropped one. Be down under the seat somewhere, so I'll go find that. Hey, but that now replaced. Comments, questions, concerns, make sure you write them down below, and check out some other videos.